AI isn't just the future anymore, it's the present. Every creator you know, whether on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, is using some kind of AI tool to stay ahead, work faster, and make content that pops. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a dime to access these tools. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 free AI tools creators are using right now, what they do, how they work, and how you can start using them today to supercharge your content. Stick around, because number 6 is a complete game changer for video creators. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Alright, let's dive in, starting with one of the most powerful, yet surprisingly free, AI tools out there. 1. ChatGPT. First up, no surprise here, ChatGPT. It's not just for answering random questions. Creators are using ChatGPT every day for brainstorming content ideas, writing scripts, generating captions, and even planning entire content calendars. Here's how it works. You type in a prompt, like, write me a YouTube script about travel tips for Paris, and it gives you a fully fleshed out draft. Unique features, conversational and easy to use. Can generate outlines, hooks, and even SEO-friendly titles. Free version is enough for most creators starting out. So, if you've ever struggled with writer's block, this is your on-demand writing partner. 2. Canva's free AI tools. Next, let's talk visuals. Canva has been around for a while, but its new AI features are making it a must-have for creators. With the free version, you now get access to Magic Design, an AI-powered tool where you just type in a theme or upload an image, and Canva instantly generates a professional-looking template or design. There's also Magic Edit. You can highlight part of an image and literally tell the AI what to add or remove. Unique features, easy drag-and-drop editor. Magic Design for instant thumbnails or Instagram posts. Magic Edit for tweaking images without Photoshop skills. This means you can create polished thumbnails and graphics in minutes, even if you've never designed before. 3. Pictory AI. Number 3 is a favorite for faceless YouTubers, Pictory AI. This tool takes a script or even a blog post and automatically turns it into a video with stock footage, background music, and subtitles, all in minutes. You don't even have to be on camera. Unique features, auto video creation from text, built-in stock footage and voiceovers. Automatically adds captions for accessibility. For anyone who wants to publish videos quickly without filming or editing, Pictory is an absolute time saver. 4. Runway ML. At number 4, we have Runway ML, an insanely powerful AI video editing tool. Creators love it for its text-to-video and background removal features. For example, you can type a prompt like a cinematic shot of a mountain at sunrise, and Runway generates a video clip. Or, if you filmed something and want to remove the background, kind of like a green screen, it does it instantly, no green screen required. Unique features, AI-powered text-to-video generation. Professional-level editing with zero experience needed. Background removal and image-to-video capabilities. This is like having a Hollywood editing suite in your browser, for free. 5. CapCut. Fifth on the list is CapCut, the editing tool from the creators of TikTok. It's totally free and packed with AI-powered features. Auto-captioning, background music suggestions, AI voiceovers, and even templates that let you drop in your clips and instantly get a trending style edit. Unique features, AI auto-captions that sync with your audio. Massive library of trending templates. One-click social media export. Whether you're making TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this tool cuts editing time by half. 6. Descript. Now, here's one that blows people's minds. Descript. Imagine editing a video like a Word document. You upload your video or audio, Descript transcribes it, and then you can delete words from the transcript and it deletes them from the video. It also has an overdub feature where you can train it to clone your voice. Unique features, edit video by editing text, AI voice cloning with overdub, screen recording and podcast tools. This tool is a total game changer for podcasters, educators, and YouTubers who want to clean up their content fast. 7. Krisp AI. And finally, number 7, Krisp AI. This tool isn't about making videos. It's about making your audio sound crystal clear. Krisp uses AI to remove background noise from your recordings in real time. So, if you're recording in a noisy room, it cleans up the audio automatically. Unique features, AI-powered noise cancellation. Works in real time during Zoom calls or recordings. Free version gives 60 minutes of noise cancellation per day. It's like having a professional audio engineer in your pocket. So, there you have it, the top 7 free AI tools creators are using right now. From brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT, designing with Canva, creating faceless videos with Pictory, editing with Runway and CapCut, polishing with Descript, and cleaning audio with Crisp. These tools are leveling the playing field for creators everywhere. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered creator tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Until then, keep creating smarter, not harder.